How to program this vehicle with a brand new BCM and PCM, but I'm done programming both of them. So now I need to program a key to it, and trying to use the GM software, it was giving me an issue. So I'm having only one key, which is an existing key already. So what I'll do is I'll generate another key with my auto, but first I'll wear the VIN. Now try and connect my VCI. So I'll wait for it to analyze it. So now after analyzing it, and this vehicle is 433.92 MHS. That's the key. So what I'll do now is I'll generate the key. Then after generating the key, I'll go ahead and program the key to the vehicle and try and add the key itself. So now it's generating the key for me. So I'll just wait for it to finish the key generation, then I'll go ahead and program it to the vehicle. It is almost done, and when you press the key it doesn't turn on. So complete. Then now the key is generated. So what I'll do is I'll go to imo, because I have the VIN already. So I'll go to the immobilizer system. So that I use is US. It's 2017-2019 cruze smart key. Yes. So now I'll go to imo scan and see if I'll have any key. Push it once and yes, and see if I have any key in the system. So there are 5 and 13. Wow. And there are 0 keys. So let me go to add keys and start the procedure. Okay. So I'll let it perform the key registration. And it has automatically turned on the key. And the mobilizer light is on. So I'll wait for it to read the pin code. It's now reading the pin code.
Push the blue OnStar button to activate your trial service and discontinue this announcement.
And normally with GM, sometimes you have to get 2 keys, but I'll try this key and see what I can do, if I can add the other key to it. So this is the pin that I got. No, I don't think that's the pin. Do you want to? You want to start? So let me see if the machine will be able to program it. Push it once and everything will go off. The key will turn off. So now what I'll do is I have to place the key. This is the universal key. I have to place it in the cap. Let me try if it will work. Because that's what the system read for me. So let's see. Confirm with the system. So we'll just be waiting and see if it will be able to program the key. If not, then I have to go to all key lost. Anti-theft. Because there is no key in the system.
Push the blue OnStar button to activate your trial service and discontinue this announcement.
Okay, so the key is learned and it's requesting for the second key. So you can see it's requesting for the second key. Second one not ready, so press. Wow, it was able to bypass the 12 minutes time and the key is open. Yo, I'm very surprised it's able to bypass the 12 minutes key learning. Current key is complete.
Push
So
the blue OnStar button to activate your trial service and discontinue this announcement.
let's see if it will come that we need. So now I don't want to program any new key. So turn the ignition off. So now the ignition is off. I'll wait for it to proceed. So it says press and hold for 12 seconds. Press and hold for 12 seconds. So you press the push start button for 12 seconds and you let the vehicle read it for you. Release it. Press OK. And now so I'm waiting. Let me see this one. This one was not programmed, so you can see. But this one is programmed. You can see the key cycle. It's working. So now get ready for remote 2. And it is not still programming. Now when I scanned it, you can see it's having only one key. So what I'll do is I'll go back and did as I said and add another key. So if I'm done with everything, then I'll try and unlock this key and program it attached to it. Now what I'll do is I'll regenerate. This is the 4 button, so I'll regenerate it, and this is the 2 button, but the 2 button is already locking and unlocking. So I'll regenerate this one and add it to it and see the results that I'll get if I'm able to turn on the key. Okay, first let me update it because I've not used it before. Because you have to update the bootloader before you use it, and I've not used it before since I bought the machine. So I'll do that and add the 2 smart keys to it. So after the update, then I will generate the universal key. So when I generate the universal key, so now it's generating the universal key for me direct. So after generating the universal key, then I go through the key processing again and try and add this key, add the other key to it and see. So that at least I'll have 2 keys on me. So then from there I'll speak to the customer, then we know what to do. If it's something, I'll let him buy his key, the original key, then I'll program it for him another time. So now the key generation is done, complete. It's done. So I'll go to Imo, and you can see that the light is working. So I'll go to Imo US 10 2019. I'll place the key here and go to yes. Then Imo scan. So place the key in the middle and you can see the auto key. Yes. Because at a point it has to turn on the key. So let me go to add key and start the procedure. Yes. Okay. So it's going to turn on the key. Yeah. So I'll wait for it to finish the programming procedure.
Push the blue OnStar button to activate your trial service and discontinue this announcement.
After doing the add keys and adding the key in the first procedure, now with this one you can see it's letting me wait for the 12 minutes. But the first one, that there were no keys in the system, it didn't allow me to wait for that 12 minutes. So I'll wait for the 12 minutes and see. Let me see the time on the 2 and see how far I can go with this. That means now I have 1 key in the system and I'm adding another key. Then from there I'll use my scan tool to scan the system and erase all the fault code and see what I can do from there. It's around 56 and you can see the time. It started around 9:18 and you can see the time in it. So we'll still be waiting for the 12 minutes wait, then we'll add the other key and see how far we can go with this work before we go to class. So now after regenerating the key again, now it's working. So when I press, you can hear. Then I use this one also. can see. So now I'm having two keys in the system. So I'll scan it and see why the immobilizer light is still on. So now I can turn the key off and turn it back on. So I'll check why the immobilizer system is immobilizer light is still on, then know what to do.